Yeah, actually, we just took an accepted offer on that property. It's no longer available, unfortunately, but I do have more coming up for sale. Absolutely, I'll shoot you over an email. Thank you. How you guys doing? It's Chris from Best Match Real Estate here in the Bronx. I'm here at my newest listing, 2577 Harding Avenue. Let's go take a look. So we're here, guys. Beautiful 3-bedroom duplex, 1 bath, over a completely finished basement. Property is fully renovated top to bottom. Beautiful finishes. Let's take a look.